To answer this question, to be honest, at the beginning, I did not choose engineer as my first choice, but I just enrolled to the course and I slowly enjoyed the problem solving, and also I understand how the things work. So yeah, that's how I developed my interest in this engineering. Okay, for about what type of engineer do I work as? I'm working as a control engineer in the electrical and instrumentation field, as well as the construction field. As a fresh grad back then, I did not think too much. I just enrolled inside the construction field, and then I just at the starting of my career, I did struggle, and then I found it very challenging to cope with the heavy workload. But I somehow just focus on finishing the task, and by to overcome this, I actually stayed hungry, and then I'm eager to learn, so that motivates me through the tough times. As far as I know right now, as the innovation is rapidly rising, I think software engineering, IT, and then renewable energy will be higher demand right now. Let's say 60% is technical and then 40% is working with people. Actually, this question, right? I think both are equally important. A strong technical work will be a good foundation for the career, and however, the communication or teamwork is also important. If I were to choose, I would choose communication or teamwork because often deal with people. So it requires clear coordination and also collaboration for technical solutions and ideas. We have to comply to the regulations set by the authority and then the safety codes. And for me, I would prioritize on safety first because I always believe that safety comes first. With the innovation and also technology rising, I would say software engineering, AI, and green energy will be growing the fastest.
Okay.
On my opinion, I think it is shifting towards automation, digital tools, and also sustainability. So in order to cope with this, I think we have to upgrade ourselves to be ready at all times. Yeah, absolutely. Because our project actually, in let's say construction, we actually build new things and new infrastructure, and that benefits the people, and then it improves their lives. For this engineer, I think they should design ethically and then to reduce environmental harm, and also to think long term. We have to be responsible to the environment, and also making sure that the technology serves the people. Engineering project, let's say for a building project, okay. For example, we build a project and then it would probably develop the area and then the state and also the district, and this will benefit the public and then also create more working chances, more opportunities for the public. Actually, I'll talk about the back impacts first because for the back impacts, I think it will affect the land use and then energy consumption and as well as the pollution. But for if you think talking about the good impact, I would say it will be improving our lives. Okay, let's talk about my experience. I think for me, I would consider material reuse for all the existing projects, like refurbishment projects. And for the new projects, I would consider materials that will be having long-term durability, because that will, That's better for the environment. Yeah, actually, right now it's moving towards cloud-based. All the platforms like Google, you can use the cloud drive, and I think during MCO things changes, and then all the technologies becomes more convenient, and we use those tools to upgrade our working style. Yeah, then all the softwares are also upgrading. Yeah, I think that benefits us also. My suggestion would be try to expose more on learning some basics in codings. Also, some modern software tools like the CAD or simulation tools. Also, not to forget, yeah, more importantly is also the communication and teamwork skills. And but this also, it depends on your field of study, because if you're more on CNS, then those coding would be not relevant. Yeah. My advice is to be curious, to be hungry for knowledge, and stay adaptable. And try not to be afraid to ask questions, because you can learn more from your seniors, and also don't afraid to make mistakes, because that's how you grow and learn.